Kolkata rape and murder case. A fight for justice highlights delays in the system. In a tragic turn of events, the rape and murder of a 31-year-old female postgraduate trainee doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata shocked the nation in August 2024. The incident raised serious concerns about women's safety in professional environments and alarming delays in the justice system. The young doctor had just completed a grueling 36-hour shift and was resting alone in a seminar hall within the hospital when the crime occurred. Her body was discovered the following morning, and the gruesome nature of the crime sparked widespread outrage across the country. As details of the crime emerged, it became evident that women, even in highly professional settings, were not safe. Protests erupted in Kolkata and other parts of India, with local government response appearing indifferent. Public distrust grew as calls for justice intensified. Junior doctors in West Bengal were at the forefront of the protests, demanding a thorough investigation and stronger security measures for women in hospitals. Their movement, driven by the belief that this case reflected deeper societal issues, was a cry for justice not only for the victim but for women everywhere. The protests reached a crescendo, prompting the Calcutta High Court to intervene. The court expressed concerns over the local police's initial handling of the investigation and ordered that the case be transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). The CBI took over the case, promising a more transparent and impartial inquiry. Months passed before the CBI uncovered vital evidence linking Sanjay Roy, a 33-year-old police volunteer, to the crime. Roy, driven by a mix of personal grievances and opportunistic violence, was arrested and subsequently put on trial. During this time, public impatience and frustration grew as the legal proceedings dragged on. Protesters could be heard chanting, "Justice delayed is justice denied," echoing the public's desire for swift justice. On January 18, 2025, after nearly 5 months of legal back and forth, a Kolkata court convicted Roy of both the rape and murder of the young doctor. The verdict was seen as a step in the right direction, but it came only after a prolonged and painful wait for justice. As the sentencing date approached, the case continued to symbolize the deep flaws within the Indian judicial system. The delays in both the government's response and the judicial process exposed a harsh reality. Delayed justice erodes public trust in legal institutions. While the conviction brought some closure to the victim's family, it also highlighted the broader issue of a sluggish justice system. When justice is delayed, it not only denies victims and their families the closure they deserve but also weakens the faith that citizens have in the legal process. Justice too long delayed is justice denied. This powerful statement by Martin Luther King Jr. underscores the devastating impact of delays in justice. When justice is slow, it loses its effectiveness, leaving victims in limbo and eroding public trust. Swift action is crucial to uphold accountability and restore faith in the legal system. The public outcry and subsequent protests called for reform, demanding a more efficient judicial